Hi everyone, so as you guys can see by the title, today I'm gonna teach you how I apply glitters on the eyes, and for that I use two-way gel. So starting off with this PAC two-way gel, I'm gonna apply it on my lid area. Then I'm gonna take this DailyLife Forever52 Star Dust glitter for my eyes today, and I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna pick the glitters with that fluffy brush only, and I'm gonna place a tissue paper under my eye, and I'm gonna gently press the glitters on my eyelid, and in a blending motion kind of thing, I'm just dabbing it and blending it from the edges, dabbing it and blending it again. While repeating this process, I'm just gonna take care that it doesn't fall on my eyes and the tissue paper stays in place. So I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye now. Applying the two-way gel again, taking it again on the fluffy brush, dabbing it on my eyelid, and then blending, and then dabbing, and then blending again. And yeah, that's how I apply my glitters. It's the most easiest and convenient way I have figured out in all these years. Next, I'm gonna take my eyelash glue and eyelashes again from PAC. It's not a sponsored video, but yeah, I'm taking this M70 Lashes from PAC, and I'm gonna take the lashes, apply the glue, and the same process again. Next, I've taken this Smashbox Superfan mascara just to stick my lashes and my false lashes together, and yeah, that's it. That was it. It's the easy peasy technique to do that, and I hope you guys find this video helpful, and it would mean a lot to me if you can take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Please do like, share the video, and also comment down if you like this technique, and stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.